Arijit, you converted taste with 2 years ka gap.
Yes, sir.
And trust me, this video or this you are a live example for a lot of people. Those who have taken the gap year, कि कैसे होगा, मेरा convert होगा कि नहीं होगा, call तो आ जाएगा, convert होगा कि नहीं होगा. So how you prepare for the interview?
Okay, so sir, when it comes to the interview, I would say just be yourself. Do not pretend to be someone else. Of course, everybody has, like I said, strengths and weaknesses, so work on them. And other than that, just go through the HR, the overall HR overview के क्या चल रहा है आजकल.
So whichever program you're applying to, number one, number two, go for
clarity के क्यों apply कर रहे हैं और regarding that, और how you are as an individual. You've got behavioral questions, why tests and all those questions will have.
why MBA, why test, why this, why that. वो सब हर चीज़ का why आंसर आना चाहिए.
Yes.
If you're wearing a black shirt, why black shirt? Everything they can ask anything.
Yes.
So they're just checking how you reply. They're not checking. There's no right or wrong answer in that.
Yes.
They're just checking how you reply, how confident you are, or how prepared you are. And then you also did some current affairs.
Sorry, sir.
Current affairs.
Yeah, current affairs, sure, of course, current affairs and like what is happening in the business world, because it becomes
only
really
for
important.
this month, this year, how much I need to prepare for that?
I would say go through the last 6 months for sure. 6 months में क्या हुआ है, what has happened in the world, what has happened in India, and so whatever has been of strategic importance to the business world, all those things you can try. And other than that, sir, जो aspirants relations and branding committee जो initiatives लेती हैं during the exams, we have our own initiatives regarding PI preparation of students. So I was a part of that, and it helped me really like a lot in making it through to test. So that is something I was
You have given IIMS interview as well. You have given a lot of things. So were they asking, grilling you on work-ex, on your gap year? They were chill? Exactly
the opposite, sir. They were really chill regarding those 2 years. I was grilled about my other things, like why HRM? You have done so many and so much things, then why HRM? So those were the issues that I was grilled on.
जो नहीं है उसको ऊपर हम लोग टेंशन ज़्यादा लेते हैं, जबकि they are not bothered about that. जबकि they are bothered about things जो तुम करना चाहते हो. So rather than that, if you prepare well for your answers, I think that's so number one, please prepare all your answers. Why MBA, why HR, strength, weakness, all these things. Number two is your current affairs. Number three, your profile, everything. Sort out everything. Why HR, do some research. So HR के लिए कितना पढ़ूँ मैं? थोड़ा बहुत Google. Can I do a courses, a couple of courses if I do available online?
A course will definitely help if you can do it, if you have got the
introduction
time.
to HR, something
and
like
the
that.
Resources, yeah, definitely introduction to HR, or maybe if you can get your hands on some basic book which gives you the basic idea of HRM, so you can do that.
Correct.
Yeah.
That will be enough for them.
Yeah, that will be enough, sir.
And that's true for everyone, marketing, finance, everywhere. They are looking for your story from now to marketing or finance, HR, जो भी तुम करना चाहते हो, how you link it up, that is the main thing to do.
Yes, that is the main thing, sir, of course.
All the best, yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.